Good morning. This is Michael from Oceanside, California, and it has been almost a month since the hummingbird egg was hatched, and the baby now is getting bigger now, and the mother's she built a nest on top of my persimmon tree, and persimmon trees already have fruit. And let's check it out, her babies, our new chicks, and they're getting bigger now. So this is on top of my persimmon tree. Mother is just coming and come and go all the time, get some food for her young. Wow, she's getting big now. We're not out of space now. Two little babies now getting. Wow, bigger now. They need to have bigger nests now. Go, 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 go. Look at her mouth. You want to eat something, huh? I'm probably going to feed her with sugar water or something. But I got to figure out how to give her a bigger nest. Ooh, so cute. I don't see the eyes, but the beak is getting longer now. Ooh, I'm afraid they're gonna fall off the tree. Okay, all right. Just give you a little excitement, our little friend in our garden. But I will check out back with them in a few next week. So, catch you later.